Kijat Bundri Asami Sanong Ba Shalong Kile Shiminta Shongshit Ha Kajing Rakhe Ya Katamasa Rongali Bihu Kabade Kajing Le Comments Nam Thamai Jong Kijat Bundri Asamis Ha Kani Katamasa Lapan Pau Perthai Ya Kaput Katam Kashat Kamen Bat Ya Kiriti Dustul Balai Phojai Kani Katamasa Kabalai Singlenter Balapan Long Daka Shalong Central Rongali Bihu Committee Kalong Hamadan Shalong Vidyalaya Ha Kasini Mungkong Uhe abala Shongtha Jang State Bank Kari India Upratul Chandra Deka ulakin tiu ya kalama bihu ya kabala penbut pat daga jingshat bihu daga kenhun na sam kipat ba ni kijat pendri bapher kelawan manishim mentalang haga sinistang ya kini kata masa
Here in Shillong, we had 3 bihus at one time. This bihu started in 1956, and later on there was another bihu was there in Forest Colony, and this started in Garrison Ground at one point of time. Then, due to different difficulties, we had to shift. Ultimately, we are celebrating here in Shillong Vidyalaya Ground. We have another bihu in Dhanketi. So at present, we are celebrating 2 bihus in Shillong at present. So this is the oldest one. We are celebrating, and all the Assamese community people here, they are enthusiastic about it. Though we are limited in number, but we will not forget to celebrate our own Rangali Bihu.
Tell us a little bit about the significance of this Rangali Bihu, the importance of Rangali Bihu.
Rongali Bihu is a Bihu based on agriculture. This is an agriculture based cultural system, and that signifies the arrival of spring. Now, with the Bihu, we go for harvesting, cultivation of different agricultural produces. So that's the main important part of that. We welcome spring and also the Assamese New Year.
Any message today?
I wish all Assamese people, not only Assamese people, all communities, unity in diversity, peace and prosperity in coming years.